What's up, y'all? I'm just going to be making a very quick video on how to spot fake silver dollars. Now, this is, of course, going to be a silver-related video, but anyway, back to my point. There are pretty much 3 different methods that I've heard of that don't cost a fortune to tell whether your silver dollars are fake or real. Which one is visual, just checking out the coin, making sure there's no awkward, missing marks or something, unless of course it actually was a mint error. They do have those, so I really don't want to be giving out false information saying, oh well, if you're missing part of a letter in God we trust, then it's a fake and you shouldn't buy it, and then you miss a really good opportunity to buy a very valuable Morgan. I'm just saying there are certain key elements to look for when studying Morgan in peace dollars. Sorry. Anyway, so there's things to keep an eye out for, and there's things that will look real, like a real mint error, and then other ones that, of course, will give it away as a fake. Like on some fakes, they'll have right around the edge. It'll just look weird. I mean, you can look up photos and other videos that are more in depth than this, but that's not the main reason why I'm making this video. This isn't even the main way I tell whether mine are real or fake. The 2 main ways that I tell whether mine are fake is the magnet test and the ping test. I don't have a magnet with me, so I'm not going to be able to, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you how the magnet will react to silver. But if you have a high-powered magnet, you can put it on the coin and tip the coin like this, and it'll slide off almost as if it was running across like pancake syrup or something. And that is how you can tell whether it's real or fake. I've heard that with the high enough powered magnet, copper and other metals will react the same way. I've tried it with a copper coin once that I had, and it reacted a little different. I mean, I could still tell a little bit, but I don't know. That might have been just the strength of the magnet, or who knows. So, but the main way how I tell is the ping test. Now, I want you to hear this ping. You hear that ping? That is the sound of a authentic Morgan silver dollar. Now, some people will say that, copper coins and other coins of this era might sound the same. I really don't know. I've been, trying to read up on YouTube comment sections and try to find out. And there's basically people all across the board talking about whether or not the ping test is, reliable or not. For me, and for basic dates that are not key dates, it works, because I can guarantee you no one is going to be trying to forge a 1921 Morgan. That's just not going to happen. It's not only Morgans that have that distinctive ping, it's peace dollars as well. I'll go ahead and do the peace dollar demonstration. So as you can see, this is just, again, I'm pretty much going to wrap the video up at that. Just be careful where you go to purchase them as well. I mean, I ordered all these from JM Bullion right here. These, however, were, actually, I didn't purchase all of them. All but 2 I got from JM Bullion. These 2 are the ones I did not get from JM Bullion. However, the rest I did. And then these I've just had laying around for a while. But anyway, just, stay vigilant. Don't, wind up with fake silver, because then by the time you want to go sell that silver and someone discovers it's fake, then it's not really going to be that pretty. You're not going to want to have to deal with that. So I kind of wanted to make this just to warn people that there are fake Morgans and fake peace dollars out there, and that these are pretty much 3 ways to tell cheaply whether or not your Morgans are real or fake. And if you have any more additional questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see y'all later.